In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly resize an image within a Canva document. Whether you're working on a presentation, creating social media graphics, or designing visuals for your projects, knowing how to resize images can be incredibly handy. It allows you to fit the elements perfectly into your design, ensuring everything looks polished and professional. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Canva document open. If you haven't created one yet, no worries. Simply log into Canva and start a new document. Now navigate to the specific document where you'd like to make the image adjustments. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll want to select the image you wish to resize. Simply click on the image and you'll notice little handles appear at the corners and edges. These are your resize handles. To change the size of your image, all you have to do is click and drag these handles until the image is your desired size. Want it bigger? Pull the handles outward. Need it smaller? Do the opposite and push inward. You have full control here to adjust to your specific needs. If you prefer a more precise approach, there's another way to resize. With your image still selected, head over to the top menu and click on the Positions button. This will open a window on the left side of your screen. Here in the Advanced section, you'll find options to adjust the width and height manually. Just enter your desired dimensions and voila, your image will resize in a snap. This method is perfect if you're aiming for exact measurements rather than estimating by eye. And that's all there is to it. Once you've adjusted your image to the size that works for your project, you're done. It's as simple as that, just a few quick actions, and your design is well on its way to looking amazing. Remember, resizing is just one of the many powerful tools in Canva that can help elevate your designs. So don't be afraid to experiment and explore other features too. Save your changes and your updated design will be ready to share with the world. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.